So real quick, I want to do an unboxing of this product I got. This is from ChromaCast. Now I haven't purchased anything from them before, but I got this from them, and it's just a tabletop, one of those mini microphone stands. I have a couple of them, but I always need more of them. So I grabbed one off Amazon, and I just got the cheapest one with the best review, like we would buy anything off Amazon like that, right? And it came with like this big, thick literature, and I'm like, what in the world is in this like, you know, what is this? And it's a catalog, and I thought it would be fun to poke fun at a few things in here, just look through it together. But it's this catalog. Now I'm sure the stand is of the utmost best quality for a small microphone stand. But there's this catalog here, and it's chunk full of information and products by this ChromaCast music gear company. So let's take a look here. So we've got the 2017 catalog, accessories for percussion, keyboards, ukuleles, guitars, violins, vocals, studio drums, audio. So they just got some cases here. Look how edgy these are. Edgy cases. Got a good edgy texture back there. Some guitar cases, some cable cases. Looks like they have Guitar Freak picks. Here's a sponsorship here. We got Joey Wester collection. I'm not sure who many of these people are in this magazine, but I will look them up for you as I do this. I mean, Justin Scard said it best.
I have no idea who any of those people are, but apparently others do.
Yeah, so here we have Joey Wester collection. She's making her own cases. I guess she is from Hollywood or something. Here's Rudy Sarzo's signature products. He's got some bags here and stuff. You got the ChromaCast. He's a ChromaCast logo. He's a Cuban-American hard rock heavy metal bassist. Rudy Sarzo, off the rails. I guess he's played for Quiet Riot, Ozzy, Whitesnake, Manic Eden. Who's a scroll left?
Dio.
Dio.
No.
Was that Blue Oyster Cult? What's the blue? There's more.
Blue. Oh, it's a Wikipedia. I can't.
They got some other products here for holding your ukulele. And then we got, they make tuners. They got clip-on tuners here. Some straps. They got their own strings, the ChromaCast strings. Has anybody used any of these? If you've used any of these other ChromaCast products, please tell me in the description below, because I want to know. What else we got here? Some cables here. I wonder how good their cable quality is. If anybody's used any of these cables, let me know in the comments. And up here we got another sponsorship, ChromaCast. Michael Angelo Battillo, signature products. I guess he played for Nitro, guitarist for Nitro. He's got some signature, looks like he's got a signature bag too. ChromaCast. And they've got some picks here, some edgy American picks. Very edgy stands and stuff. More signature things here. Vinny Appice, is that right? Vinny Appice? American rock drummer, younger brother of the drummer Carnine Appice. He's been with Dio, Black Sabbath, Heaven and Hell, Big Noise.
Noise with a Z.
Big Noise with a Z. So he's got, looks like some signature cases here, and he's got some signature drumsticks. ChromaCast drumsticks. I would try their 3As. I'd try a ChromaCast 3A. ChromaCast, if you're watching, I'll take some 3As. Send them to me. Let me review them. I'm curious what they might play like. I play with a Zildjian 3A, and I've tried to switch a couple times. I can play with whatever, but there's just something about a Zildjian 3A when it hits your hand. So they got sticks, they've got drum parts and accessories and adapters and stuff. More cases. Look at this backpack. Where's that guy going? What is he going to carry? If you carry your amp in there or something. That's nuts. And they got the drum sack. It's like for bongos and stuff like that. And they got their own beer mugs. Yeah, craft beer. It's really big. And edgy American t-shirts. Look at how edgy these are. Rock and roll. And this guy's got a Journey somewhere to go. I don't think he plays for a Journey, but this is his route he's taken. He's got tracks in front of him. He's in the tunnel somewhere in New York or somewhere,
It's very dangerous.
Yes,
It's very dangerous.
it's very dangerous. Yeah, I don't know if that's a good idea to be walking in such a place. I don't think he actually is, though. I think we have a little bit of photoshopping done here because there's some shadow work that needs a little help with and placement of him there. But nice catalog, really cool. Look at this guy, right out of '86. Look at that. Got his Marty skateboard there. Spiderweb guitar case. ChromaCast Music Year 2017 catalog. And here's the actual stand, I guess I should probably give the review for, which, as I said before, I'm confident of its quality and performance as a desk stand. I think these are called like desk mic stands or something, but I mean, we all know we use them for bass drums and guitar amps. Some of you might use these for a desk. I never have. I just use a boom stand if I'm sitting in a desk, but came with this. This will fit a 57 or 58 real nice. There we go. And I'm sure it's adjustable. Yep.
Ooh,
Nice and adjustable.
I did not see that coming.
There it is, the ChromaCast adjustable desk mic stand. Very, very well built, very nice little base. The base is heavier than it looks, it's very small. Small footprint on the stage, black, it'll disappear, looks nice, solid. Good review, great
Better
catalog.
catalog. Good stand, even better catalog.